For the Apple MacBook users, a new software update is rolling out. The version of this update is macOS Tahoe 26.6.1. Coming to the size, it is 2.1 GB. In the update description, it shows that this update provides security fixes for the Mac. I started downloading the update, and once it completes, I'll install it as well. Do note that there won't be any noticeable changes in the UI after installing this update. I'm going to share my user experience after using the Mac for some time post update, followed by the Cinebench scores before and after the update. So stick around till the end of this video. The model I'm using is the MacBook Air M1 with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD. So far, everything is working normally on my laptop apart from a huge battery draining issue that started right from the Tahoe update. If you're still running your MacBook on the Sequoia version, stick to it, don't install Tahoe. Apple will soon be releasing the next OS version for the MacBooks. I'll test it and share how it's working on my MacBook Air in a future video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you never miss any update. Also guys, I'll mostly be going live this Sunday. Come join for some casual interactions. Coming back to the update, it took around 12 minutes to complete. Make sure you don't press any buttons while it's updating. Coming to the scores, here they are, before and after the update. Now coming to my overall review in short, my MacBook is running the same as before with no improvements or changes observed after installing this update. I'm eagerly waiting for the next update to install and check it out. Also, share your MacBook update review in the comments so everyone can see what's going on across different series. Thanks in advance for sharing your valuable reviews in the comments. See you again in the next video.